guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we have a cute little bub to talk about. Let's jump into all the details about today's install. Today's hair sponsor is Eayon Hair. I believe this is my third collaboration with them. Today I have installed a 14-inch 5x5 closure HD bob lace wig. You guys can see the wig is pre-plucked already. Thank goodness. Usually with my closures, I always go in and hide this part first. Before I do anything else, I try to just see what I want, where I want the baby hairs. I know I'm always going to have a baby hair right there. Where is the other piece? I look and I try to compare the two, and then, you know, if one side has more hair, which usually is this side for some reason, then I'll go in and just like pull out some with that little comb there.
Pero eso cambiará cuando ella me vea acá. Porque lo sepas. Que ella me ha cupido a pedirle un favor. Esperando tu DM. Pa' que invites una ronda más.
Okay, so that happened. I didn't think we were gonna do all that, but that ended up happening. It's okay. Now I have to fix this one to make it look the same.
Repetiría una mil veces la noche que te vi. Sabía que era ese hombre que me hace reír y me hace creer que yo soy la mujer que se merece algo puro y no solo pa' comer. Y yo lo quiero, ya no va conmigo. Ya quiero ese hombre que me sepa amar, que me además de novia también sea amigo. Su susto no veo, qué casualidad.
Just going in and fixing the hairline up ever so slightly because I did put a little too much bleach there. It's not so much that I put too much bleach there. I think it's just not even everywhere else, so it's more noticeable when you do like a middle part or whatnot. So yeah, girl. So last thing, we're gonna clean up the part and then define the curls, and then we are done, you guys. Oh, that's not straight. So my lace looks really good. It's just right here where it's looking a little shiny. So I'm just gonna put some makeup to kind of dull that down a bit. And for defining my curls, I'm gonna actually use this wrapping mousse. What is this? A foaming lotion and shine. I like using this for curls. It gives a really nice curl, nice hold, but not too like hard. The hairline on this wig does come pre-plucked, so we didn't have to do any plucking, which is always a bonus. I did bleach the knots on my wig prior to the install, so you know the knots are giving HD. It's a really simple install. Anytime I get a closure wig, I'm like in love because I'm like, oh, this is so easy. This wig comes with 2 removable straps, so if you don't want to secure her down, you can just wear her glueless. Now that HD lace definitely allows for that, and that beautiful hairline makes the wig look super realistic. It's super natural. All we did for styling was use some of this Ebin foaming lotion. You guys know I love Ebin over here. I like that Ebin styling lotion because it defines the curls but doesn't leave it crunchy. That is the issue that I have a lot with a lot of foam mousse. So the fact that it doesn't do that, I am obsessed, and I just kind of pick through her and that's what she's looking like. Show you guys the back. So this is the back of the wig. So yes, we are here for it because of the hairline, the softness of the wig, the density, the lace. I would say this wig is Kaviar Kez approved. As you guys can see, it's just giving. And this wig is definitely giving like frontal. It does not look like a closure wig, so we are here for it. You could do cute little updos with this wig. Super, super cute, you guys. Such a beautiful wig with such beautiful hair. Definitely recommend. Those are my final thoughts about today's install. If you have any questions for me or comments, leave it in the comment section below. If you liked this video, don't forget to thumbs up. It really does go a long way. And also subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and obviously turn your notifications on so you don't miss out when I'm doing a giveaway or when I upload a new video. I'll catch you guys later in another video. Bye.